Hello students, let's quickly go through a short summary. Temperature and its measurement introduces the concept of temperature as a reliable measure of the hotness or coldness of a body, emphasizing that our sense of touch is not always accurate for judging temperature. The chapter explains that temperature differences allow us to compare how hot or cold objects are. And the device used to measure temperature is called a thermometer. Two main types are discussed: clinical thermometers, used to measure human body temperature, and laboratory thermometers, used for scientific purposes. Clinical thermometers today are mostly digital, replacing toxic mercury thermometers, and some non-contact infrared thermometers can measure temperature without physical contact, reducing the risk of infection. The normal human body temperature is considered approximately 37 degrees Celsius, though it can vary slightly due to factors such as age, activity, and time of day. Measurement in different locations, such as under the armpit, can yield slightly lower readings. The chapter introduces different temperature scales: Celsius, degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit, degrees Fahrenheit, and Kelvin, K, explaining the usage, conversions, and the importance of proper notation. Laboratory thermometers are described as glass tubes with a liquid column, usually alcohol or mercury, that rises or falls with temperature changes, marked with a scale to allow precise readings. Students are guided on how to use laboratory thermometers correctly, ensuring the liquid column is read at the correct time before it starts to fall, and noting that water at boiling and ice at melting points maintain constant temperatures despite ongoing heat exchange. The chapter also explores air temperature measurement, highlighting that room and weather temperatures fluctuate daily and seasonally, and air temperature is a crucial parameter for weather forecasting. It mentions the pioneering work of Indian scientist Anna Mani, who designed weather measurement instruments and advanced India's capabilities in meteorology and renewable energy. Through practical activities and observations, students learn that accurate temperature measurement is essential in daily life, medical contexts, laboratories, and meteorology. And understanding the different states and readings of temperature fosters scientific thinking, awareness of environmental conditions, and proper usage of thermometers in various settings. The chapter underscores that precise temperature measurement is critical for health monitoring, scientific experiments, and weather prediction, while also promoting curiosity about the natural world and technological innovations in measuring temperature. Thank you for watching. Learn smarter and practice better. Download our app.